Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So one of my employees was having a really bad day because his 1 TB SSD drive of really important data is inaccessible anymore. And whenever he tried to access his data, an error message pops up with access denied or drive is inaccessible. And for someone like him, it was a massive disaster to lose 1 TB of data, but for me, it was normal. Here we go on the PC. Whenever I try to connect the drive, the famous error message, location is not available and the drive is inaccessible. So whenever I try to skip and press OK and see if I can access it, no, inaccessible. And properties, no, 0 bytes, like the drive is basically not working. So let's skip that error message, and here's the magic thing. We go to the application Disk Genius. It's an application, an open source application, totally free to do anything here. And the drive is accessible actually, and I can view all the data and serve the data as I need. And maybe I can copy some of them like that, and I copy it wherever I want it. Also, I can view all the information about the disk and format, repair, and trim, erase, whatever I want to do with it. It's all available here. No inaccessible message, nothing error with the disk inside the Disk Genius thing. I can repair the drive. I will try to wipe clean it and do whatever I want, but first I will recover all the data. But unfortunately, the data took me like 23 hours to be recovered because you know, when the drive is not working well, its transfer rate will be really low. So yeah, it will waste a really long time, but at the end of the day, you will have your important data. So that's it for today. I hope the video was helpful and simple. If so, please hit that subscribe button and like the video, because I will keep posting videos about IT problem solving and tech, and I really appreciate your help and support for the past few months. Thanks for watching. I see you soon.